Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial, and today we're going to be learning how to type fast. Okay, so if you use a computer, if you use a keyboard, then you should know how to type very fast on your keyboard or on your computer. It's a very important skill to master because online you're always going to be typing wherever you are and whatever you do. You want to be able to do it seamlessly without looking at the keyboard and really fast. And so today we're going to be looking at how you can do so. So the first thing you want to do is really go through a couple of YouTube videos which will just kind of give you an introduction into what fast typing is, the basics you need to know, and how you can do this. So you just want to go through a couple of videos and really just get the introduction into what fast typing is. And the second thing you want to do is to head over to this website, typingclub.com. It's a very wonderful resource to learn typing. I used it myself and it really got me up to speed to really know how to learn, really know how to type fast. And so hopefully it does the same for you as well. So what you want to do is get started. And here is going to present you all these different modules which are going to really take you from beginner level to professional level in typing. So it really goes through every single key, GA, FJ, DK, and every single key. It takes you through the process of learning how to type them without looking and doing them out of memory. So if you go through the program, it's a pretty lengthy program but very easy to do. You're going to really move from beginner to intermediate and then to professional. So by the end of this program you already be a fast typer. Now the second resource you want to make use of is called MonkeyType.com. Yeah, this is a wonderful website as well to really practice, and the whole ideology of this website is practice makes perfect. It doesn't come with any modules or any lessons. It just presents you directly with the words and you have to really learn by doing. So you just start typing slowly, and as often as you practice you really get better at doing it. And it's really helpful when you've already mastered the basics from Typing Club. You've already become proficient in Typing Club, then you move on here and it really helps to perfect your skills, be able to type very fast without looking at the keyboard and really mastering every single word you type. Now for those who might have internet problems and who need maybe an offline solution, I'll present to you Mavis Bacon, which is really the standard in typing. For a very long time this was the software that was recommended for everybody who wanted to learn how to type, and even up to today it's still a very powerful resource to have. So if you want to use Mavis Bacon, you can go ahead and download it and install it on your Windows computer and really learn it, be you offline or online. And so this is what the software looks like, Mavis Bacon, and you can really see the interface. It presents you with really comprehensive learning methods. So yeah, so these are the three resources you need to learn how to fast type. You can make use of them and they are really helpful. So good luck in your journey and hopefully you can become a fast typer in no time. See you on the next one.